In this video, I will show you how to check tokens on Solana for indications that the project might be a rug pull. We're going to be doing this using a tool called Rugcheck.xyz. To start, you're going to need the contract address. We can find this on Dex Screener on the right hand side. Next, we need to paste that into Rugcheck and hit check. Here we can see that the mint authority is still enabled. The creator still has the authority to mint new tokens. None of the LP is locked, and the owner can change the metadata as well. This is an example of a token that is more likely to be a rug. Now let's look at another token. Go down and find its contract address. And paste that into Rugcheck. Here we can see we get a risk analysis of good. However, there is a low amount of LP providers, but most of the liquidity is locked. This is an example of a token that is less likely to be a rug, but is still a possibility. Now you've found a good token, you can do some more research by clicking on the top holders and looking into their past transactions and history on a block explorer. And that is how you use Rugcheck.xyz as a tool in your research.